Welcome students. Today's session 11th standard chemistry electronic configuration for scandium to zinc discuss. So scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So already known for alpha principle 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p 4s 3d. So increasing of the order is called alpha principle. Already you are also well prepared. And next will be the atomic number scandium 21. So you will be filling in the order 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s2 3p6. How many electrons is also filled? 2 2 6 10 12 18 you will be complete, and 4s2 20 and 3d1 21. So atomic number 21. So completely filled this space. 2 complete you will be first you will be clockwise and anti-clockwise use. So 6 electron completely filled and 4s2 completely filled. For the remaining same cell you will follow the workout for node. So completely filled up the diagrams. So same positions up to 3p6 up to 3p6 1s2 up to 3p6 completely filled scandium to zinc. So and next will be the variations of 3d1 orbitals. And next titanium. So the remaining same will be completely filled. Completely filled is the up to 3p6, and 4s2 is a variable. 3d2 orbital first will be worked out for the clockwise, and next will be the same remaining, and 4s2 completely filled, and 3d 3 of vanadium. So here 20 18 plus 2 add 20 plus 3 23. Chromium will be up to 18 2 2 6 10 12 18 20 24 will be configuration will be correct. How many the possible? S orbital 2, p orbital 6, d orbital up to 10 possibles. So it will be the complete of outermost cell. S orbital means S block elements. Outermost cell D means D block elements. Outermost cells bending of F means F block elements. Outermost cell P means P block elements. Example, you will be worked for 1 to 10 element nitrogens 3p 1s2 2s2 2p3. So p orbital will be complete. So p block elements. So chromium. So accept configuration 1 2 3 4, but hereafter the balance is also 1 electrons will be move equally filled. Half filled is the position attack. Two possibilities of chromium. So 4s1 3d5 will be changed. 4s1 3d5 only changed. So half filled of equally filled of subcells, and manganese 4s2 completely filled. So already manganese is also 3d5 half filled. And next iron 4s2 completely filled. So 4s2 completely filled, the electronic configuration up to 20 plus 6 26. The keyword is 4s2. 2 is the 4s2 power, 6 is also 3d6 just for keyword. So clockwise and anti-clockwise 1. 5 plus 1 6. And next cobalt 4s2 3d7 4s2 3d7 6 7 possible, 6 and 7 possible. And nickel 4s2 3d8 possibles. 4s to 3d8. And next copper, 2 possibilities. What is the possibilities of copper? 3D 9, but 4s2 completely filled, and up to 20 4s2, balance 9, so 5 half filled of 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The one space of completely filled possibles, the one electrons is through the d orbital is the energy barrier. So another one possibility is single clockwise. 3d10 will be completely 4s1 3d10 possible. 4s1 3d10 possible, clockwise, 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 completely 10 possible. And zinc also completely filled in the outermost subcell. So next 3d10 completely filled, 4s2 completely filled. Compared to the two different configuration of copper and chromium. So this is a possible 4s1 3d5 and 4s2 3d4 possibles. So two configuration only important for questions. Chromium, so outermost cell will be right, chromium atomic number 24. So up to 18 is also electronic configuration, short form of argon. So argon will be atomic number 18. Argon atomic number 18, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. The short form will be used. And the chromium outermost cell is a 4s2 3d4, 4s2 3d4. And or possible argon is argon will be work out is shortcut, and 3d 4s1 3d5. So next copper atomic number 29, possible 4s2 3d9, and this is the expected, but the possible is 4s1 3d10 complete. The s orbital is the move to away. The s orbital move to away. So 3d5 4s1 and 3d10 4s1 is a possibles of positions. And the next, this is the properties. I will use the properties. Is first properties is color and colorless properties. Colorless properties. So color properties, unpaired electrons, this is also empty cell, empty or completely filled, completely filled, completely filled possibles. So now only discuss unpaired electrons. This is also unpaired electrons, outermost cells present. So scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium is also most of up to copper is also unpaired electrons here. So that elements is a transition element metal and colored. And compared to the zinc, completely filled is the possibles of colorless possibles. So this is a colorless of zinc. Another one possibility is one electron's loss of scandium is a box is empty, so scandium is colorless. So 3 electrons loss, scandium is colorless. So next class will be depthly discuss color and colorless properties, and next will be the magnetic properties. Second, magnetic properties. And the unpaired electrons here is magnetic is paramagnetic, completely paired electrons here will be diamagnetic. So zinc is also diamagnetic nature. The unpaired electrons is also all metals here. So unpaired electrons present is called paramagnetic. And paired electrons out, no unpaired electrons here in the outermost subcell. The example zinc, no unpaired electrons here, so diamagnetic. And third one, stability. Stability, all filled and completely filled is the more stable. So example, chromium half filled 3d5, and next copper completely filled 3d10, and next zinc completely filled is called more stable. So others also do not properly half filled. Example, vanadium 3d3 half filled, do not balance 2 electrons. Ion is also half filled and extra one of 3d6 position anti-clockwise electron, so do not half filled, completely filled possible, so is unstable. So stability, half filled and more stable is a stability is perfectly more stable of half filled and completely filled outermost subcells. Thank you to all.